In this video, we are going to cover how to disable a point-of-sale station within the Cloud Retailer point-of-sale software. There are a couple of different options here. We are going to cover both because it will depend on your specific situation which option you choose from. Alright, so for our first option, or option A, we are going to go into Admin. We are searching for our device register list. Click on device register list. Go to the register that is in question, and we can click on it. And what we want to do here is change it from active, and now it's inactive. So there's no blue box with a check mark, it's inactive. And then we can click save and close. And what that means is the data will no longer upload from the register to the servers, and cashiers will be prevented from running transactions. Now data will still be downloaded to the POS station. Our other option, so let's cancel that, and I'm going to go all the way back to the dashboard home screen. We can go to Admin. Again, search for device register list. Click on device register list. Select the register that you want to make changes to, and we can just click on it. And then we want to go down to our sync tokens, and the box that says authentication token, and we are looking for the box that is checked enabled. It is likely you will not have this many authentication tokens in your system, but whichever one is active you want to make not enabled, and then you want to do a save and close. And what this means then is that all data to and from the point-of-sale system and the main cloud-based database is no longer syncing. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.